Today we're doing the movie for German TV. It's about London, it's about VIP London tour, about movie stores, about James Bond locations, and our group today here, lovely tourists who join us, and the lovely team behind the scenes. Hello there. Thank you. Is that ready? Yeah. So let's go. Okay, hello. You looking for some tour? Ah, okay, because maybe you join us as well for the tour. I'm just checking the tour. We're doing today VIP London tour. It's special from VIP customers, so it's like so you look like a VIP customer. Where are you from? Oh, Brazil, very nice. I love Brazilian movies. Yes, you know Slavizaura? It's an old movie, yes. So Brazilian music is wonderful, yes. So you should join us next time on the tour. Check us, AP London tour. We're doing a special film today about London, about people who join us.
Okay, good. I'm not talking to you.
See you next time.